Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Robinhood tax documents. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to access Robinhood tax documents, your account needs to be verified. I recently created my account, so my account is not verified yet. But if you have a verified account, first of all, you need to go to your profile settings. Here at the bottom right corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Once you're in your profile page, at the top left corner, you can see 3 lines icon. Tap on it. Now that you're in the menu page, as my account is not verified yet, it is not showing the complete features of this app. If you have a verified account, you will see the menu interface like this. From here, you need to choose this Statements and History option. Once you're in the History page, if you scroll down, at the very bottom, you can see the Documents section. There you can see 2 different options of Statements and Tax Documents. In order to access the tax documents, tap on this Tax Documents section, and after that, you'll see your tax documents listed like this. So that's how you can easily access your Robinhood tax documents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.